Most portable power banks always feel just a little too weak for the problems we actually face. They either charge slowly, power too little, or die just when you need them most. The I Vtoman FlashSpeed 1500 is built for the field, the cabin, the garage, the road, anywhere your wall socket doesn't reach. With insane recharge speeds and the ability to run full-sized appliances, it even steps into roadside rescue territory with one clever add-on cable. Today, we'll find out what makes the FlashSpeed 1500 a must-buy for your emergency kit, your road trips, and maybe even your home's backup power setup. FlashSpeed 1500 comes with a 1,548 watt-hour battery, which in simple terms means it can keep essentials like a mini fridge, a router, or a laptop running for most of the day. That's already a strong baseline. But if you need more, you can stack on an extra battery and double the total capacity to 3,096 watt-hours. A power station this powerful usually takes half a day or more to recharge. But the FlashSpeed 1500 is different. It goes from empty to full in just 1 hour with a 1500 watt wall input. It also supports 400 watt solar and 200 watt car charging, giving you flexible options wherever you are without the long wait. Now, getting charged fast is one thing, but how long does it actually last? The FlashSpeed 1500 has a battery capacity of 1,548 watt-hours, which basically means it can run a 100 watt device, like a small TV or a desktop PC, for around 15 hours straight. If you add the extra battery, that number doubles to 3,096 watt-hours, giving you a serious amount of backup time. So whether you're powering a fridge during an outage or charging phones and laptops on a trip, you're not going to be constantly worrying about running out of juice. Not just that, instead of standard lithium batteries, this one uses lithium iron phosphate battery, a type that holds up better over time and runs cooler. The system also includes real-time safety monitoring, giving you thousands of reliable charge cycles without having to worry about wear or damage. It's easy to forget how important good design is until you don't have it. FlashSpeed 1500 is designed to make using it simple. You get 12 output ports with FlashSpeed. Those 12 outputs include 3 AC outlets, 2 USB-C, 4 USB-A, and DC outputs, so you've got almost every charging need covered. That means you can power most of your devices directly without needing adapters. There's a small storage box on top for your cables, which sounds basic, but it keeps everything tidy and in one place.